Hello, welcome to One Kochi. This is India's first art district. We've created this right in the center of creativity of India, which is Kochi. We have three areas. One is the main gallery, which is called Gallery AD 1498. Second, ഇവിടെ 6 rooms ഉള്ള ഒരു luxury suites ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു hotel ഉണ്ട് with restaurants and entertainment spaces and a pool. Then we've got large open spaces where you can come and have your events. I actually started this project back in 2010. 2010, one of the big things that happened was the Kochi Biennale. Kochi Biennale first edition, and I'm from Cochin. And I'm also a big art collector. I love architecture. I love photography. I had traveled and I had lived in different parts of the world, in London, in New York, in Amsterdam. Over there is a very interesting concept called art districts. So I wanted to bring that art district concept to the heart of the Kochi Biennale. And in 2015, I started buying land near the airport. So many people ask me, Fort Cochin, why didn't I buy it? Why didn't I create this place in Fort Cochin? See, Fort Cochin already has its vibe. It's also quite crowded. Already there are a lot of cafes, a lot of hotels. So I said, let me try and create something right next to the Kochi airport. Kochi airport is only 5 minutes away. And we got a large space here. 2021-22, Meenu and the architect, we walked all around Fort Cochin. We went to Alleppey. Almost every building we check out. Darbar Hall, Brunton Boatyard, David Hall Gallery, Old Harbour Hotel. That's we created a Fort Kochi vibe. We created One Kochi.
The artwork is done by an artist called Elvin Charlie. He's a Kochi-based artist. And the conceptualization is done by our co-founder Preeti. പ്രീതിയുടെ ആൻസിസ്ട്രൽ ഹോം മെമ്മറിയുടെ ഒരു ഭാഗമായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഫയർ എസ്കേപ്പ് നമ്മളൊരു ക്യാൻവാസ് ആക്കി മാറ്റിയതാണ്.
We have an amazing collection of art pieces from around the world created by Malayali artists and Indian artists, right from stories of Vasco da Gama coming to the Calicut Zamarin's palace. We've got AI installations, we've got photographic exhibitions. We got some wonderful pieces of M.F. Hussain, Anjalila Menon, Nambudri Sir, C.N. Karnakaran, Yusuf Arakil. Now you're inside our main gallery, which is called Gallery AD 1498. AD 1498, the year AD 1498, that's the year that Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese explorer, landed in Calicut. Here pala installations year signify we have created a lot of art around that. So on the walls you see Yamini Mohan, a very famous artist from Kannur. Pinne Rupesh Prakashan's beautiful photographs capturing Theyyam, boat races, you have some fantastic, Kalayotam. Pinne you can see Kalaripaita. Some unbelievable piece of photography that has been created by this fantastic artist called Rupesh Prakash. Please come and see the amazing amount of artworks, the beautiful architecture, the wonderful breeze. You can actually see flights landing to Kochi airport here. So come and enjoy One Kochi. We are here to give you the warmest of hospitalities. Try some food, try the art, come and relax here. This is the center of creativity. This is the center of the universe right here in Cochin.